Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning from Kolkata, and I welcome you back to Biking Diary. It's a Sunday morning, and I am out for a little spin, trying to complete my break-in period. And today I'm going to be joined by an old friend of mine, Dion. He's also in his break-in period of his Conti GT. So we're just gonna go for a quick spin, come back, try and rack a few kilometers. I also intend to do a quick fuel efficiency test. So as soon as I get a pump, I will. Sorry. Yeah. So as soon as I get a pump, I will do a tank full, and then I'll see what kind of efficiency I am getting out of this. And my friend Dion is not yet here, so I am gonna stop at a tea shop. And that's my friend Dion on his Conti GT. So we are set and we are off right now. Let's go. कार्ड হবে তো বাবু?
कार्ड
হ্যাঁ কার্ড। ট্যাঙ্ক ফুল করে দাও।
नॉर्मल
XP 95। ऑटो कार्ड है। So I have got 6.34. Alright, done with the refueling. So I'm gonna reset the trip meter. Trip B is at 0. So I'm gonna keep riding. Of course, I'm gonna also check myself. I'll reset this also. So currently it says 22 kilometer per liter. So yeah, average speed, total time, battery. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be riding it as much as I can, and then I'm gonna do a tank full again, calculate the distance with the amount of fuel required, and voila, you have your fuel efficiency. Alright, so earlier in the day, my GoPro battery died on me. So I had to go back, recharge the battery, and from the last tank full I did, I've done about 91 kilometers so far. And I think it's a fair enough distance to have traveled to do a tank full and see what the fuel efficiency is. Now, while we are on the topic of fuel efficiency, this bike has got something called an eco indicator. So you see this small triangle here. Again, it disappears. It depends on how you are riding. When you are riding in an economy mode, or your throttle inputs are nice and gentle, this triangle, I'm guessing on the screen you can see a triangle, but it's actually written ECO in a triangle format. This comes up. So whenever this comes up, basically you're just riding the bike in a very sane manner. No harsh throttle inputs or anything as such. and your bike is delivering the best possible mileage as it can. Again, super bikes, you don't buy super bikes for its mileage, fuel efficiency, but you ride it to have fun. The primary reason why I'm doing this test is because I want to understand what kind of fuel expense I should be accounting for when I'm planning trips and those kind of things. So that's why I want to do a fuel efficiency test and sharing the same with you. Also, if you are enjoying this video, do hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. It'll definitely motivate me. And whether you subscribe or not, I will definitely be posting a whole lot of biking content. Not necessarily everything would be super bike related, but just regular biking stuff as well. So definitely consider staying tuned. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, ensure that the notification button is selected as all. And if you know your friends, someone, anyone who can benefit from my videos, you may share it with them as well. Alright, I'll try to do at least another 7 kilometers, ensure that I have 100 kilometers done for this fuel efficiency test. Once I'm done with 100 kilometers, I'll see you guys back. Alright, so 100 kilometers done. Time to head to a petrol bunk and do a tank full. Moment of truth. Alright, before we get to the exact fuel efficiency, let me give you a couple of background. This entire 100 kilometer, in fact, whatever kilometers I've ridden till date on this bike, has been really sedated riding because this bike is still in its break-in period. So I am keeping the RPM under 4,000, no abrupt pickups and those kind of things. And the first service of this bike is still due. So whatever the mileage comes out, I am more than confident once the first service is done, there would be some improvement in the fuel efficiency. And even in terms of riding conditions, it has been, I would say, 70% highway, 30% city traffic, something like this. So yeah, should give me a fair idea of what kind of efficiency to expect on long rides. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There is supposed to be a fuel station somewhere here. Where are you? Okay, I see it. It's on the left. Alright. Moment of truth. কার্ড পেমেন্ট করব কিন্তু দাদা কার্ড পেমেন্ট করব হ্যাঁ
কত নেবে
ট্যাঙ্ক ফুল করব খুব বেশি যাবে না
আমার নরমাল
XP 95 এই দেখবে না আশেপাশে জানতে না পড়ে অটো কাট হ্যাঁ বাস না অটো কাটেই বাস কত হয়েছে সে কি এত কম কত মাইলেজ দিচ্ছে 3.39 Let's do this, guys. In front of you, 102.5 divided by 3.39. Impossible. Impossible. How much is this showing? On my average fuel consumption on my console, it says 21.5, and a tankful to tankful is telling me 30.23. That's insane. I don't think that's right, but I guess we would have to do one more test after the first servicing. All right, I'm not sure honestly if 30 kilometer to a liter, if that is really correct, but that's what I got from a tankful to tankful, in spite of the fact that my average fuel consumption on the system shows 21.4 or whatever that is. But tankful to tankful, 30 kilometer to a liter, I am not sure what happened there. If 30 is a reality, I think that's better mileage than, I don't know, what, Royal Enfield? I don't even think 650s give 30, man. But again, I was really sedated while riding, sticking to the 4000 RPM limit for now. No harsh or abrupt acceleration. So yeah, my riding style was very sedated, but would that really give 30? That's insane. But whatever the case is, I'm definitely going to be doing one more fuel efficiency test after my first servicing. That might give me a better indicator of how much to expect on my tours and long distance traveling that I plan to do on this one. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you on another video. Ciao!